My name is Ngozi Okeke. My experience in Texila American University was incredibly positive. The MPH program offered a comprehensive curriculum, diverse student body, international perspective, and career support. The specific aspect I enjoyed most was the online community. The resources, the lecturers, the administrative support staff, and that made the atmosphere very welcoming. I'm grateful for the experience I gained at Texila American University. The MPH program provided me the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in the public health field. The program key features of flexibility, affordability, practical focus made it an ideal choice for me. I highly recommend Texila American University for anyone. I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for your support, for the knowledge I gained while in the school. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.